guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look. Today, before we get started, I do want to shout out our sponsored product for today. So they were kind enough to send over a timepiece. So we're going to check it out together. I'm super excited. I love the packaging. I like how it looks. This is so cute. And as you can see, it has the logo in there as well. I think that's beautiful. So this is a card. I'm pretty sure it has all of your like information in there. So let's pull out the box. Here we are. Wow, nice. Okay. So we have the logo here too. This is really nice, y'all. Like, I feel like, you know, a little bougie. Whoa, look at that. Wow. So this timepiece here is called Maybelline. So beautiful. It's rose gold. Y'all, this is so nice. We're going to take it out and put it on. Give me a second. Okay, so now that I've taken it out the packaging, y'all, look how beautiful this is. I love this rose gold. It looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So let's put it on. Yes, yes. Look at that. This makes me feel so elegant and so nice, y'all. This is so gorgeous. All the links in the description box will be below. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you check them out for sure. I also have a discount code in the description box too, so you can get some money off, y'all. If this is something you're interested in, again, this one is called Maybelline. Beautiful. Yes. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. Make sure you check my description box in the link below, guys, and we will talk to you later. Hey friends, so I did record. I was really talking, but it was early in the morning. I was trying to be quiet. Obviously, I was too quiet. You can't really hear me. So I'm just letting you know that I'm going to try a new look today from the Morphe palette. I'm super excited because y'all know I don't really try colors and different things. But today we are experimenting, honey. So I hope you like it. Stay tuned.